This is a Lokithor J400 12-volt jump starter pack. Really like this thing. It's really small, it's really compact. It's kind of a big case. You don't need to have big jumper cables, big hookups on another car to start your engine. This little thing here can do up to an 8-litre gas engine. Really powerful little unit, and it's really handy. It's got a little light in here too, so if you're caught in the dark somewhere, you can turn it on, hold this button on the top. I'll turn the light on. This is really bright, so you can see if you're stuck in the dark somewhere, you can see where you need to put your jump start cables to jump start your car or help a friend out. Got a little power readout here, so you can see how much power this jump pack has. And then on this side here, you can hook up your jumper cables. So you can plug these in. You've got a positive and a negative cable, and then you can hook this up to your car. On this side, you have a USB-C input and output, so you can charge this or charge your device. You also have a USB output, so you can charge whatever you need with a USB port. To connect the jumper cables, you're going to remove this little cover here, pull it down, hook your jumper cables up, press the on button, and now you can hook this up to your car and jump start it. With the jump starter hooked up, you just need to go in and start your car. This thing works great if you're caught stranded by yourself. So if you're in the market for a jump starter, I'd really recommend this Lokithor J400.